Hey, if you want to input the micro SD card into your Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, you can simply do this. So when you hold your device in the landscape mode like me, and here you have the camera on the top, the micro SD port is on the left side, just right here. So to open it, you have to use the SIM tool. It's in the box of your device, but you can also use other SIM tools from your phone, for example. It's not unique, so you can use any other, and you can use your fingernails to open this slot. And here, to input this card, we have to rotate our tray and input it just like this. Yeah, it was like this. So we have to put this gold pins of the SIM on the SD card in this position. So take a look. And do this gently. Use your finger to put it inside. And here, as you can see, we successfully input our micro SD card into our device. Right now, please subscribe to my channel, and that's all. Bye bye.